Welcome to another Down the Rabbit Hole video. Just a quick bit of home maintenance here, and this is mostly so that I can pull up this video next time I have to do this. Jinx is involved apparently. Oh, we're gonna use the facilities. Alright, well, I'll hold off on that. Welcome to another Down the Rabbit Hole video. I don't know what to say. There goes Tig. Okay, so a thumbnail should be, and make sure that I don't miss the fact that that is up there. It's more like, ironically, it's more like a twig, like the twiglets say, than the kind of things you would get in... Go away, Tig. Trying to film. Shut up. What are you doing? Thank you, Jinx.